Follow the starting report provided in the resources of this video. This is the Python Pizza Challenge. So you're an employee at Python Pizza and your job is to create an automatic machine that will take the customer's order, and based on what the user orders, it should tell the user their final bill. The user has three options for pizza. The first one is a large pizza which costs $25. The second one is a medium pizza which costs $20. And the third and final one is a small pizza which costs $15. And we have two additional conditions. The first one is if the user wants to add pepperoni, then you should charge them an extra $2.50. And if the user wants extra cheese, $1 should be added to the final bill. This is the starting code. It is printing welcome to Python Pizza. Then we are asking the user for the size of the pizza, if they want pepperoni or not, and extra cheese. You have to write your code below this line. So pause the video, think about the challenge, and perform this coding exercise. I hope you have completed the exercise successfully. If not, or you just want to see the solution, then let's walk through it together. First, we have to create a total bill. So I'm just going to create a bill variable and set it to 0, in which we will add the user's bill. So we are asking the user for the size of the pizza, and here we will check if the size of the pizza is equals to large, meaning if the pizza is large, then we will add $25 to the bill because a large pizza costs $25. And then if this is not the case, then we are going to check if the size is equals to medium. Then if the size equals to medium, then we will add $20 to the final bill. And in the else statement, we are going to just add $15 to the bill. You can also use an elif and check the size for small, but that would just be an extra line. If the user does not want a large or a medium pizza, then the only option left is a small one. So we will use an else statement and then add $15 to the bill. Now after we have done all of this, then we are going to do another if statement in which we are going to check if they add pepperoni, it's add pep is equals to yes. So if the user wants pepperoni, then we will add $2.50 to the bill. And finally, we are going to check if the user wants extra cheese. So if extra cheese equals to yes, then we will add $1 to the bill. So let's look at what's happening. First, we are checking if the user wants a large pizza. If yes, then we are adding $25 to the bill. If they want a medium pizza, we are adding $20 to the bill. But else, if they don't want any of these, meaning they want a small pizza, then we will add $15 to the bill. Now in here, notice that we are using two if statement instead of an elif because we want these two to occur no matter if this one is false or not. If we use an elif for this, then this one has to be false for this one to be executed, but we don't want that. We first check if the user wants pepperoni, and if they do, we add $2.5 to their bill, and if they want extra cheese, then we add $1 to their bill, and at the end we will print please pay and the final bill with a $sign. Now let's run our program and check if it works. So it tells us, welcome to Python Pizza. What size pizza do you want? Let's order a large pizza. And then it asks us if we want pepperoni. Let's say no. And we want extra cheese, so yes. Our final bill is $26. A large pizza costs $25 and extra cheese costs $1. So it gave us a bill of $26, meaning it works. Now let's check it for the other cases. The second case is if we want a medium pizza, and in this case we will say yes to pepperoni and no to extra cheese. A medium pizza costs $20 and pepperoni costs $2.50. So it gave us the final bill as $22.5, which is correct. Now finally we have to check for the small pizza case. So let's say we want a small pizza, no pepperoni and no extra cheese. And a small pizza cost $15 and it gave us $15. I hope you have completed this exercise correctly. If not, then review the multiple if statements in succession lesson and understand the concept and come back to this exercise and perform it again.